Hi and welcome to this channel once again. We want to find the GCF and the LCM of 18p squared q and 27pqr algebraic expressions. So the first thing we do is to split them into the factors, where 18p squared q, or splitting the number 18 into its factors gives 2 times 3 times 3. And p squared q is p times q. And 27pqr, starting with the number 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. Then pqr is times p times q and times r. Notice that the factors are well arranged according to how similarly they occur. Now, to find the GCF and the LCM, we'll be using the Venn diagram. So the first oval shape goes for 18p squared q, while the other is for 27pqr. So what goes into the middle here, the intersection of the two, should be the factors which are common to both expressions. And looking at that, there's a 3 and another 3 common to them. That is 3 squared. There's a p which is common, so we've got p, and there's also a q. Then what is left in 18p squared q is 2 here and a p here. While what is left in 27pqr is a 3 and a r. So the GCF is just the intersection, which is 3 squared is 9 and pq. That's the GCF. While the LCM is going to be the product of all the factors that we have all together, like the intersection. So we've got 2p, we've got in the middle 9pq, also multiplying the third, which is 3r. And therefore, the LCM is going to be 2 times 9 times 3 for the numbers, that's 54. Then p times p is p squared and qr as the LCM. So I believe you've learned something new, a new approach to finding the GCF and LCM of algebraic expressions. Kindly give the video a like, help us share it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates from our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we expect to see you more. Bye.